Savoring the Mediterranean, a culinary journey through quick and healthy recipes. Have you ever dreamed of savoring the vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean while maintaining a quick and healthy lifestyle? Quick and Healthy Mediterranean Recipes promises to transport your taste buds to the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean, offering a delightful array of dishes that are not only delicious but also good for your well-being. But how can one create these mouth-watering Mediterranean delights in a time-efficient and health-conscious manner? Join us on a culinary voyage to discover the secrets of quick, nutritious, and delectable Mediterranean cuisine. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. The journey begins with the irresistible concept of quick and healthy Mediterranean recipes, a culinary experience that transcends ordinary meal preparation. It's about recognizing that the Mediterranean diet, renowned for its health benefits, can be embraced without spending hours in the kitchen. Discover how this culinary adventure becomes the cornerstone of not just exquisite taste but also a commitment to a balanced and health-conscious way of eating. In a world where time is of the essence and health-conscious eating is a priority, the allure of Mediterranean flavors captivates. This is where the magic of fresh ingredients, simple cooking techniques, and bold flavors shines. Explore how this culinary journey empowers individuals to create gourmet meals in a hurry, without compromising on nutrition or taste. It's about shifting the paradigm of fast food to fast, yet health-conscious, Mediterranean cuisine. The journey takes an inspiring turn as we delve into the numerous benefits of embracing quick and healthy Mediterranean recipes. From supporting heart health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases to providing an abundance of nutrients and offering a delightful palate, you'll learn how this approach can significantly impact your well-being. Uncover the science behind the Mediterranean diet and the art of combining ingredients for both taste and nutrition. It's not just about following recipes, it's also about the art of Mediterranean living, with a focus on fresh, wholesome ingredients and the joy of shared meals. The captivating element of the journey lies in how individuals can take charge of their health and culinary skills by preparing delicious and nutritious Mediterranean dishes. Discover how this culinary experience not only offers a delicious journey but also opens the door to health-conscious and balanced eating. Quick and healthy Mediterranean recipes aren't about giving up your favorite dishes. It's about learning to prepare them in a way that supports your well-being and fits into your busy lifestyle. We'll delve into various recipes, cooking techniques, and meal planning strategies that will help you make the most of your culinary adventure. Whether you're a seasoned home chef, a busy professional, or simply someone who appreciates a good meal, you'll have all the tools you need to successfully unlock the secrets of quick and healthy Mediterranean recipes and embark on a delightful and nutritious culinary journey. Efficiency is a cornerstone of this journey. You'll find that incorporating these quick and healthy recipes into your daily life can be practical and time-effective, ensuring that you can enjoy Mediterranean delights without hours in the kitchen. With the right knowledge and a commitment to health-conscious cooking, you can seamlessly integrate these recipes into your daily life, ensuring that each meal becomes a step toward a more balanced and delectable way of eating. Practical guidance is a vital part of this journey. We'll offer tips, techniques, and resources to help you embrace the art of quick and healthy Mediterranean cooking, allowing you to create nutritious and flavorful meals that harmonize with your busy life. Whether you're looking to enhance your culinary skills, savor the taste of the Mediterranean, or simply want to enjoy quick and healthy meals, you'll have all the tools you need to successfully unlock the secrets of this culinary adventure and experience the pleasures of Mediterranean cuisine in a time-efficient and health-conscious manner. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.